Did you know that you and I met and talked to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala before? Before your body was ever created, your soul was pulled out of the back of Adam alayhi salam, along with every soul that has ever existed. Every soul from the beginning of time till the day of judgment was pulled out of the back of Adam alayhi salam. And then in that moment, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala asked us, Alastu bi rabbikum? Am I not your Lord? And then we replied, yes, we testify. Even though Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not address every soul individually, He addressed them all together. Every soul was responsible for its own testimony. This event is called the Mithaq, the primordial covenant. Even though you don't consciously remember this event, but your soul does. And this is why we believe in the idea of the fitrah, that every person is born with an innate disposition to believe in one God. And why every soul instinctively knows that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is its Lord, but because of family, society, and the way they've been conditioned, they have been led astray. SubhanAllah, it's why you see non-Muslims or Muslims that have been led astray for the longest time, all they need is one piece of evidence, one reminder, one Quranic verse, and they're back on the right track.